Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be speed cleaning my bedroom. It's a bit of a mess at the moment. This is a room that's still got to get like renovated, I guess. We've painted it, but we haven't got our new furniture yet, so excuse that. But if you want to see how I clean my bedroom, then just keep watching. Okay, so let me show you what the room looks like at the moment. The bed is not made and there is so much stuff on this Malm dresser. Look how much stuff is on here. Clothes, pillows, mess. The bedspread is on the floor. Does anyone else do this? And yeah, basically let's just get started. So I'm going to start by making the bed. This is usually the first thing I do in the morning and it just makes me feel so much better when the bed is made. We are going to buy a new bed soon, which I'm really excited about, but I just haven't found the right one yet, so I'm still looking. If anyone has any recommendations for places to buy beds, then let me know. I'm just fluffing the pillows now, and I'm just going to place them nicely on the bed. And then I'm going to dress the bed just to make it look a little bit nicer. So I've got these cushions from Laura Ashley, which I got in the sale. They're only £10 each, which was nice. And then I also got like a matching bedspread from Laura Ashley also. And I just thought it looks really, really nice. It makes the bed just look more neater, I guess. And then that pillow there is from Primark. Just ignore that one. It reminds me of like the 70s. It's so crazy, that pillow. I'm going to be getting rid of it soon, but I've just put it there for now. And then this is the bedspread. Look how lovely that looks. It just makes the bed look so much neater. Moving on to the shutters, I'm just going to open those and give them a little dust. These do need cleaning quite often because they can get quite dusty. So yeah, I'm just using a microfiber cloth to clean those and to get rid of any dust. And then I'm also going to clean inside the window as well. And I'm using the Method spray for this, the multi-surface cleaner, which I really like the smell of. So I'm just using that to get everything clean. Oh, so much dust. Okay, so now they're done, I'm just going to move over to my bedside table. Anyone else find these everywhere? Yes, I do. And yeah, I'm just going to give this a little wipe down, again using the Method spray, and I'm also going to clean the lamps a little bit and dust them down. And I'm doing the same on the other side because white furniture can get very dusty. So I'm just making sure everything is nice and clean, and also popping a little candle down there as well just to make it look a little bit more homely. Okay, so moving over to this drawer unit, I am just getting all of the rubbish away. So I got a bag from my cleaning caddy, so I'm going to put any rubbish in there. And then I'm also going to pop these clothes away, which I didn't do last night. So yeah, any rubbish, cardboard, things that I've collected over time will be going in the bin. And then this is actually a Christmas gift. I haven't found a place for it yet, but look how gorgeous that is. Love it. So yeah, I'm popping that medicine away and toys. And now I'm just going to take everything off of the tray, which is all my perfumes basically, and I'm going to clean the tray down and take anything off of it that I don't want on there, and then put everything back as it should be. So I'm just going to wipe the surface down, wipe the tray down. The tray is like a marble tray. It's from Wayfair, for anyone wondering. It is quite old, but Wayfair have so many great home bits. So yeah, if you're wondering, that's where it's from. I'm using my Method spray again. Basically, this is the only spray that I use in this room because I don't have any glass surfaces or anything like that in here. Okay, so now I'm going to put everything back and try and make it look pretty. These are all of my perfumes. I don't actually use them all, but for now that's just where they're going to live. And there's a gorgeous picture of Renzo when he was newborn. So cute. Now moving on to the other side, I'm just going to take everything off and give it a clean. So these plants, they're fake, so I'm just going to wipe them down and get any dust off of them because they can collect dust as well quite a lot. There's another one there, that one's from Dunelm, it's quite cute. And there's my little jewellery stand, that's actually from Primark. So yeah, just wiping everything down, getting it clean, getting it dust free. Right, so now that is all done, I'm just going to put these plugs away. These are our iPhone chargers. I hate having all wires around everywhere, so I'm just going to pop that in Mark's side. And then does anyone else have corners of their room where you just collect rubbish and stuff? Yeah, we do too. So these are our clippers. Well, this is what I used to do Mark's hair. So I'm going to pop that away in his ensuite. It's our ensuite, but he uses it. So yeah, I'm going to pop that in there. And then, does anyone else have clothes poking out of the side of their bed? If you've got drawers, that is so annoying. That is again Mark's side. So I'm just popping that away so you can't see it. And then any wires I can see, I'm just hiding as well, so it looks a lot neater. Next I'm going to clean the TV, so I'm just cleaning like the edges of it, not the screen, because that doesn't need cleaning. And then I'm going to get rid of this wire here. So this is from Renzo's monitor, and I'm just going to hide that away. And then the final job is to hoover. I'm just using my cordless hoover, which I find so much easier to use when I'm upstairs. So I'm going to hoover the room and then show you what it looks like. So that is the end of my cleaning video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And if you want to see more room by room cleaning videos, let me know, and let me know what room you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.